Hello everyone, Abdul Muqsid here with another tutorial on Crocoblock JetEngine. Today we're going to discuss how you can build an amenities list or services list for your CPT, custom post type, just like we have here in Airbnb. Here you can see that they are offering Wi-Fi, elevator, hair dryer and other services. Other than that, you can use it for other purpose also, such as specialties in a hospital. I have recently built this website and we needed to show specialties which is offered by a certain hospital, so we are using these techniques. So let's start. Alright, so the approach is to use terms. You can use repeater field also, but the problem is it's a bit difficult to manage in future. The filtration is a bit difficult. That's why we will try to use terms for the services. I already have a real estate website. Here we will show the amenities. Step number 1 is go to JetEngine and create a taxonomy. Let's have a name, services for example. We will choose our post type, which is properties. Now if you notice, we have icons here. So this is title of the term and this is icon. Icon we can use a media type. We will create a new meta field, icon, and the type should be media, and let's keep the format media ID. Alright, add taxonomy. Let's go to properties and here we can find services. Now let's add Wi-Fi, and here in icon we need an icon. So I personally use icons.js. These are free icons. You can find dozens of icons for free, and the good thing about this website is you have dozens of format which you can use in your project. So I will go for SVG and let's upload the icon. I hope it works. Alright, so they have Wi-Fi. Let's add another. I will pause the video and add all services, and then we can continue. Alright, so I have added 6 services or amenities here along with icons. This is just one time, then you have to add it in properties. If I open a property, for example this one, on the right side I can find services. Now it will show as a tags because we forgot to add hierarchical. I will click on services and go to advanced, and here we have hierarchical update. Okay, let's go back to properties and click on fashions. Now we can see the services here. So here we are offering microwave, hair dryer and Wi-Fi update. Let's refresh our page. We don't have any changes as of now because we need to create listing page and then insert it. So in order to create listings, go to JetEngine, listing, add new, and listing source mention term, and our term is services, single service, create. Alright, let's drag an image box. I will not go in details for styling it, but just giving you an idea how you can utilize it. In dynamic image we need to choose term image, and taxonomy should be services, and meta field was, I guess, icon. Alright, so we got the bathtub icon, and in title we will choose term title, term field, services and term name, and we don't need it. Alright, let's click on update. Now the next step is to show it in single page, single property page. Go to template and theme builder, edit single post, and the instance is properties. Click on edit. Here we need to insert it somewhere below this field, so I will insert a listing grid here. Okay, and the listing should be single property, single service. Here we can see all amenities, but we need only those which are associated with this listing. For that we have post query, term query option here also, but as mentioned by JetEngine, Crocoblock, it's legacy option, so we need to use query builder. Go to JetEngine, query builder, add new, let's name it services query, and the type should be term. Our term name is services. Okay, now go to include, and in include with term ID, click on dynamic data option and choose current terms, and the term type should be, taxonomy should be services. Click on apply and add query. Once you add it, just update and refresh the page, so you will see the query in custom queries. Click here, scroll down to custom query, enable service query and update. So in resident 1.1, let's refresh it. We got microwave, refrigerator and towel. Let's go back to another property. Let's click on MR Palace. Here I need only Wi-Fi. Update, refresh. We have only Wi-Fi. Let's update it to 3 more options. Refresh, and we have these 3 more options. Okay, so this is how you can include services, amenities or specialities to your single post type. Remember why I use taxonomy, because in future it is filterable. You can filter it, you can import export. If you are using repeater fields, they behave the same way, but in future it's very difficult to filter them or export data from custom post type. Other than that, the query we have used can also be used for showing current terms of a CPT. If I go to single page and I insert dynamic terms here, and I choose service, let's update it. The result I will be receiving from this widget is the same from here. Let's refresh. So here we have 4, and the color is white, that's why we can't see it. Hair dryer, microwave, refrigerator and Wi-Fi. So if you want to display dynamic terms in a more stylish way or presentable way, you have to create a listing for that, and then based on this query you can insert in single CPT. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thank you so much.